So hi guys, welcome to the third episode of ESA Quarter. This is me as the chairman of English Student Association. My name is Naura Habibarina. So for today, I will teach you about the common mistake in grammar. Okay, for the first thing is about confusing there, and they are. So the explanation between there, and there, it's difference. There, it's something that belongs to someone, like showing about the possession, sorry, belongs to someone. And about there, it's explaining about like the categories of the place, and they are. It's talking about their action. Yeah, action verb. I'll give you the example. For example, for their classroom is clean. And for there, the example it's like, oh, the library is over there. And for the they are, it's like they are studying for the exam. Well, actually, there, and there, it's have like the same pronouns, but must have the difference meaning between there, and they are. Okay, and another common mistake, it's about using I instead of me as the subject. For example, me went to the shopping. I usually found that people, or maybe a person, still using me while they are want to giving, or maybe like they explaining about the action. But the correct one is I went to shopping, or to the shopping. Because what? Because me, the explanation is me is the object, yeah. The object for should be used if we are receiving some action. But for the I, yeah, is the subject. And should be used if we are performing the action. For example, for the me, she gave the book to me. It's we are receiving the action. But for the performing the action, it's like this. I went to shopping. Okay, for the last common mistake in grammar is about run-on sentence. Well, run-on sentence happens when two or more complex sentences that just join it together, but without proper punctuation or conjunction. For example, it's like this. So, for example, it's like common people, it's using I'm tired, I was tired. I was tired, I went to sleep. But the correct one, it should use like proper punctuation or conjunction. So, I was tired, so I went to sleep. So in run-on sentence, you must using like conjunction or proper punctuation. So that's all for me about the common mistake in grammar. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.